Decisions, decisions, decisions. The average person makes around 35,000 decisions a day. Exhausting. From what clothes to wear in the morning, what to have for breakfast, what tasks to do first, whether to ask your boss for a pay rise, what you'll say to HR about that training course. The sheer volume of decisions we have to make can lead to procrastination, impulsivity, avoidance, and indecision, also known as decision fatigue. So, people, your 3 decision-making hacks today are: do your big decisions in the morning when your brain is fresh, streamline your choices both for you and for others, and set up routines to avoid pointless time-sucking decisions as well. So I schedule some thinking time before I start my day to review my priorities. When I make selections, I try and reduce my options to 2 or maximum 3 choices if I can. Also, I try and routinize everything that I can, particularly the simple things. When I have my coffee, it goes in my Huel shake, coffee and breakfast all in one. How's that for a good hacker? I schedule my social media using a planner too. All done, nice and simple, no decisions to make. Like, share, follow for more tips, not recipes.